loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a wig review. What? This wig is bomb, y'all. This is not my first time wearing this wig. I got it in almost all of the colors. It's very sexy. It's an easy everyday wear. If you're a beginner to wigs, this is a great wig. You don't have any lace to cut. And the name of it is a soft layer bang. Here it is right here. And I have her in the color number 1. All right, let's get right into this wig review.
All right, guys, let's open this and see what prize we get. Get rid of all the unnecessary stuff we don't need. Very pretty, right out of the box. Here's a stock cardigan, 5-inch lace parting. Then that's the other colors that it comes in. Very pretty. Let's get this netting off. Gonna look at the parting area. That's the 5-inch parting space. Very good, no plucking. Yaki texture, very soft. Let's take this off. All right, so now we're looking at inside. There's 2 combs up front, and then there's 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And I do think it's big head friendly, a lot of stretch. All right, let's try her on. Okay, come through. You can see the hair has a little bit of a shine to it. And that could be some of the camera picking it up too. Very soft, very pretty. I can run my fingers through it very easily. Ew, feeling myself. What? Ew. I gotta get it adjusted right. And it does come with the little bitty baby hair up front. Sometimes I just kind of just push that back. Don't know if I want to keep it or if I want to get rid of it, but you never know. I may want to do a little swoop. So we'll see how it works out. Little side view. Very pretty. If you only knew how soft it is. And the cut of it is kind of like a little bang cut towards the front. See me just put my hands through it. Very soft, very silky. Now I'm gonna try to put these combs in here. There's one of the combs, and I'm just dipping it up under my wig grip. Okay. Just in the comb in the back. And then there's another comb over here off to the side. Put that on and adjust it through. Little finger comb still. I gotta put some gel and stuff on that bang, kind of swoop it back. I like the little swoop-de-doop look. Adjust the one in the back. Okay, yes, honey. I ain't even put no powder or nothing on it yet, and it's just straight out of the box, and it's really sexy. I told you guys, it's a very, very beautiful wig. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with them baby hairs. If I want to keep it, swoop it, I don't know. Just giving you an up close of that parting space. Really, 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 really good. I don't think I'm gonna go through and do any plucking with that. Turning off to the side. Now I'm turning around to the back. Very good length, very pretty. Yes, look like I just got a little blow job on my hair, honey. Yes. What? Very pretty. Okay, we'll be back. Alright guys, we're going to put some powder in between this parting space. I'm using Bare Minerals, and my color is Truffle 29. I'm just going to take a little bit and dab it in the middle of the parting area. And as we are dabbing it in there, we want to put it on there, and then we want to kind of brush it away. So we want to dab, put it on there, and then brush it away, making sure that we're not coloring the hair. You just want to get the whole line of the parting space and put it in there. And then you also want to turn it over and go inside the cap and rub just a tad bit in there as well. Not too much, just enough. Just like that. And then I'm getting some of my wig shine, my wig conditioner. And then I like to spray my unit. Just makes it very soft. Gives it a little extra shine. Get my brush, my wig brush. Brush it out, brush it in there really good. And you don't need a lot of that wig conditioner. It will keep a shine to it for a while if you kind of wear different wigs every day, kind of like I do. So now let's put her back on. Let's get her in place where I want her. Gotta get them combs in the back. Another good finger comb. I just wanted to show you what the parting space looked like so that it looks more like the scalp. That's why I add the powder, excuse me. And I'm just putting those clips right up under my wig grip. And having that wig grip, my wig does not go anywhere, you guys. I really love wearing the wig grip. So if you got a bitch that want to snatch a wig off, she ain't gonna snatch it off that easy. I'd rather snatch my shit off myself. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Yes, honey, look at that slay. Look at that pretty shine. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous wig, you guys. So I'm gonna finish combing through this, and then we'll get to the end, and I'll give you guys some pics, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. See you soon. Okay, loves, here's my final result. I am slaying going to work. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hairpiece. Like I said, the texture is like a soft yaki, very light, very sexy. The ends are cut very, very nice. It's kind of like a bob, kind of V coming towards your face. And then I got my little swoop, added me a little clip. What? It's very, 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 very sexy, very affordable. Like I said, very easy to put on if you're a beginner. There's no lace to cut. So it's a very affordable, very easy, very sexy everyday wig. I love it. And like I said, I have this in almost every color, but I love the black because this is versatile and I can go to work or I can kind of dress it up like you see here and kind of go out for the night. So it's all about what you want to do. All right, so loves, thanks for watching my channel. That's it for today. I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye.
All right, loves, that's it for today. If you like this wig review, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back next time. Have a blessed day.